Hello students, we were doing nouns. There are different kinds of nouns. Our today's topic is nouns possession, means possessive noun. A noun that indicates the ownership, means belongingness of something is known as possessive noun. Let us look at here. The possessive case of singular noun means with singular noun what we will use is formed by an apostrophe s. A singular noun without s we will use apostrophe s. For example, Mr. Gupta's house means house of Mr. Gupta. Rohan's book means book of Rohan. Dog's tail means tail of dog. Baby's toys means toys of baby. Here we have put apostrophe s. We use only apostrophe means without s, only apostrophe with singular nouns ending in s. For example, this is singular noun but ending in s. We have put here only apostrophe. My boss order means order of my boss. Tejas, here s. The Tejas is ending with s, so we have put only apostrophe, not apostrophe s. Tejas book, Suhas pen. These are singular nouns, but we have put here only apostrophe, not s, because these nouns are ending with s. So we have learned that singular nouns that do not have s at the end, we put apostrophe s to make possessive noun, and singular noun ending with s we put only apostrophe to make possessive noun. Let us see another example. Plural nouns that have s at the end form the possessive case by taking only an apostrophe. Most of the plurals have s at the end, so we will put only apostrophe after them. They do not take another s. Look at the examples. Farmers, crops, farmers. This is plural, this is also plural, so we have put here only apostrophe, not apostrophe s. Parents, house, ladies, dress. But if plural nouns do not end in s, there are some nouns that do not have s at the end, form their possessive case by taking apostrophe s after them. For example, men. This is plural and we have put here apostrophe s. Here, children. This is also plural and we have put here apostrophe s. Here, men's shirt or children's toys. So we have learned that if there is s at the end of a noun, then we will put only apostrophe, and if there is no s, whether it is singular or whether it is plural, then we will put apostrophe s. Now let us see some important points. The possessive case is mainly used when the noun denotes or indicates a living thing, means with living things we will use possessive case, otherwise we will put preposition of. For example, boy's car, here boy is living thing, baby's toy, baby is also living thing, and ladies dress, ladies are also living thing. So we have put apostrophe, means possessive case. We will use possessive case only with living things. Let us see another example. But when the noun denotes or indicates a no-living thing, then it is expressed by preposition of. means it is better to use of, not possessive case. For example, pages of the book, not books pages. It is not used, but we will use pages of the book, or arms of chair, because book is here non-living thing and chair is also non-living thing. Arms of chair, not chairs arm. I hope you got the topic.